Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Kia Forte, and going to go over how you replace this door lock actuator for the trunk on your Kia Forte. Say it's not opening correctly, or the sensor's going off saying the trunk is open and something is broken down in here. You're just going to replace the whole thing, right? So this is the cable here that releases it when you pull the cable just inside the door to open it, and then this is a manual release. If you were in the trunk or can get access to the trunk, you can manually unlock the trunk with this switch, right? And so we've removed this panel here, which was a bunch of, I think it was 9 push pins. You take all these push pins out. There was 2 screws here that hold a handle that you use to pull your trunk down. So with that removed, and then you pull that little fabric piece off, then you've got this cable that you just need to push that way. And then you see this little round ball, you just need to bring it this way and undo it. And then we've got an electrical connector here that we would press and pull down to unhook, and then we got 2 number 10 size bolts to undo. With those bolts removed, you can remove the whole door lock actuator, and then you can get a new one and then put it back on and put a new one in. So in the reverse order, those 2 bolts are tight. Then you can go ahead, hit that connector back, and then take this, your cable, make sure you feed it through there, and then snap it back through the little gripper right there, so that when you pull the cable, this will undo it. Make sure everything works correctly. This electric goes through here, so on your key fob, you can actually hold the trunk unlock button, and it'll open the trunk. If that feature kind of stops working, it's most likely this little electric actuator that's gone bad, and so you can just replace this really easily. Or you can just continue to use the manual option, but that's how you replace that on your Kia Forte of a 2019. And of course, you would put the fabric piece back up, push pins in, 2 screws, and that's how you replace all that. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.